Now, you're very affectionate, but I actually want to get to your brother because it's not very fair if you get all the attention. Yeah, you like attention as well, I know. Oh yeah, this music's copyrighted. Oh well. Oh my, that is the first time you've come to me of your own volition. That is the first time you've done that. The power of Frank Sinatra. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, you. Come on. You want to come on? You want to come on again? Black one, maybe? I know you're interested. Hey, come on. Come on. You're very curious. God, black one at the back. Furthest in the corner, unbelievably chill. But you, Tabby, you were terrified at the start. Black one was very, very chill. He's still very, very chill, but he's improved a little bit. But you've had a massive improvement. Come on, you. Oh, would you like to come say hi? Come say hi. Oh, copyrighted music. Fuck. Oh well. Alexa, pause. Come on. You're very tempted to do it. Well, you got food around there. I've been keeping you fed 24/7. You normally have 3 meals a day, but you're a little bit wary of eating while I'm around, so I just top it up whenever I come back. You okay with me? Yeah, you're a little bit curious, but you've forgotten how to walk forward. You did it to get to the food, and then you sort of came up to me. I think I'll need to spend a little bit more time with the black. But Tabby, you're much better now.